Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to sort query on Google Sheets. First of all, open your spreadsheet that contains the data that you want to do this operation on and follow these simple steps. In my example here, I have this little table here that contains just some random information. For example, this is a noun of companies and this is the period, also the duration of working in that stuff. Um, the numbers are also just random. So to source the data, we will use the command or the command line that is called sort. For example, as you can see here, I have my table here. I'll go to another cell that I want to uh, write my data on or the sorted spread sheet on. So now we will just click on or write equal. We will start the sort command. We will open this parenthesis. As you can see, first of all, it requires the range. The range means where are which data that you want to sort. For example, if it was a big table, you can just sort some three columns or whatever. You can specify the range that you want to sort. For example, I have here whole either you can select it with your mouse or you can just write it manually, or for example, let's just click from B to C, I mean to D. It will select the whole table into to the last, or we can add the numbers so we can limit it. Now we'll click on 7 and 7, uh, I mean from the first, that is 3, the B3 from here to here. Now we will separate the commands or the properties by a comma. Now we will sort the column. Now you should know which column do you want to sort the table with. For example, if you want to source the table by name or by duration or period, for example, let's just do the duration. So it will be the second column because in my selection, I have only three columns and the duration is the second one. We will separate again with the, the comma. Now, if you want to sort your table or your query in ascending mode or by ascending, all you have is to click or to write true. If you want it to be descending, all you have to write is false. For example, let's do it false. We close our parentheses, and as you can see, it is uh, it sorted uh, table by duration. Let's do it another time. We will click OK, sort. We will add our range. It will be, we can just select it with the mouse like this and separate with the comma. The second column, separate with the comma. And this time we can do, for example, true. As you can see, it ascending, it sorted your data ascendingly, so it started from the 7 to the 8, etc. If you don't want it, all you have to do is, as we did before, just click, just write in the third property or the third part while inserting the third variable. All you have is to click false, so it will be this way, as you can see. And now you have your data sorted and you can add styles or whatever you want with this table, or if you want it just only for informations. So this is how you sort your query in Google Spreadsheets or Google Sheets. Thank you for watching and goodbye.